What's up, YouTube? Back with part 2. Making a video for you guys who don't deserve. For you guys. Let's get it. No, bro. Bro, I hate that. No. What the heck? Guess what? Stop. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys something. That's the part where his cheese is. You know how clean they are? They'll freaking catch any fingerprint on there. And bro, I would probably use the other one. Seriously.
Actually happens, there's no way they can like get that one piece with like with the cheese on his shirt. Like they must have refilled it or something after so they erased it. I can't see it after. Was that right? What's that? Remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill. What was that room?
Yeah, what was that room? Bro, he just said, at least I didn't get caught. Bro, the cops are there, I bet.
Why did you go back inside? It's a fire alarm. You didn't notice? No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while.
Bro!
A little while? Yes, of course.
Bro, why she look like that? She look like somebody from a movie. Yeah. I did some bad stuff and I got caught. I fought somebody under the table. And I got caught.
Instead of being grateful, you're making me feel bad for what I did. Alright, well, we're just waiting.
Yes, you're supposed to. No, you're not supposed to even do it. You're supposed to feel bad. You're supposed to not do it. Why are you supposed to be grateful?
They didn't do that in my high school. Actually, now that I think about it, they do. Unless it's like a test. Like, you know, they have to use so many, like, test things, like, practice skills. But now that I think about it, I remember, yeah, the fire alarm,
Bro, our fire alarm is so freaking loud. No, you can remember. And
hey, you know what? I actually think this might be the key to the bathroom. Okay? Yeah.
Hand it over, bro.
You know, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
Bro, never lie. How much times I lied? Bro, my mom caught me. Never will be, but I lied, bro. And my little cat's eating.
Unless it's well, school is not in the home. Okay, alright, I'll be right back. Yeah, it's all good. You might finally figure it out. And it looks like the summer started right after everyone started walking away.
Bro, why is it, what? Mikey? Bro, I was running down the hallway, bro. He's on, bro. Oh, Luke Davidson. Why? Why? Bro, why is every teacher, every person who works there? What? Oh my God! Wow! What? That's the dumbest decision you could make, bro. Just tell him what you really did. Hi, bro, brush my hair back there. That's the dumbest thing you do. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna make this long video. Okay, after I'm done uploading this one. Peace.